Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Welcome to this week's Card Making Monday with Creative Memories and Monarch Mom DIY. Today I have two of the Props to Pops card trio kits. These card trios come with 3 cards and all of the ephemera you need to put them together, as well as the cards and envelopes. Now, the reason I got 2 packs is twofold. One, these card packs are on sale for 50% off, which means $3 instead of $6. And so I decided to make one set as designed and the second set with the bonus ephemera. So you can see the 2 different ways you can make each of the cards. Now, if you've never seen these card kits before, they come with everything labeled on the back with the card number and then letters for the order that you're going to attach everything. And this is all laid out for you in the instructions. So for our 3 cards, I'm sorting everything. Then here's your little instructions that show you the picture and give you detailed step-by-step instructions. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take letter A, and the first thing you put down is usually a background piece that is going to cover the entire front of your card. Whether your card will be vertical or horizontal, you're going to line that up with your adhesive. Then going in alphabetical order and following the pictures, you're just going to apply the rest of the pieces to the front of your card. So here is finished card number 1 according to the directions. I'm going to move on here and do cards numbers 2 and 3 according to the directions on the instruction sheet. Then we're going to come back with our second card trio packet, and I'm going to do the 3 cards again using the bonus ephemera to show you the different ways you can make the cards that come in the pack. Now that we've done all three cards, how they're pictured, I'm going to show you the alternate way. So that way, if you don't have someone to give a Happy Father's Day card to, you could still get this card set and do the one of a kind instead of Happy Father's Day on the front. So I'm going to speed this part up and just put some music so you can see the alternate way to make each of our three cards. And one more time, here are the two pairs of cards showing the two different ways you can make card number 1 and card number 2, and card number 3. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. Check the description of the video for a link to this card kit as well as others. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.